Hey, how's it going? My name is Timba Heat, and in this video, we're going to be learning a brand new move called the side taps. Without further ado, que comience la fiesta! Alright, mi gente, straight into it. Let's start out with somos uno. Here we go. 5, 6, somos uno. Y 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. Una más. Y 1, 2, 3. Side taps. So I'm going to tap with this left leg on the 1, tap with the left leg out on the 2, and then I'm going to do a tap switch on the 3 and. So 3 and. Now I'm going to hold that 4, repeat the taps with the right foot on the 5, feet together, out with the right foot on 6, and then one last time, tap switch on 7 and hold the 8. Then somos uno with that left leg on the 1, 2, 3, y 5, 6, 7. Let's try that one more time, nice and slow. Side taps, and 1, 2, and 3, 5, 6, and 7, and 1, 2, 3, allí nada más. Hey, if you're getting value out of this video, go ahead and smash that like button for the YouTube algorithm if you haven't done so already. This helps me in the channel tremendously so we can reach out to others and share the love of dance. Muchas gracias, and back to the video. Alright guys, so the main thing for this move is honestly being very conscious of that tap switch. The reason why is because now we're doing what's called syncopation beats. So we're now playing with the music or with the timing just a tiny bit more. There's nothing too crazy, but we want to make sure we're still in our 8 count phrase. So if I go 1, 2, and 3, hold that 4, so I can get back on the 5. 5, 6, and 7, hold that 8, and then somos uno on that 1. 1, 2, 3, y 5, 6, 7. So let's try this in halftime music, and then we'll do that full speed. Here we go. 5, 6, somos uno. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, side taps, y 1, 2, y 3. 5, 6, y 7. Somos uno. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. Double time. 1. Alright, get ready. Here we go. Side taps. 1, 2, y 3. 5, 6, y 7. 1. Let's do it one more time. Get ready. Side taps. Y 1, 2, y 3. 5, 6, y 7, y 1. Allí nada más. Alright, mi gente, this will conclude it for today. Thank you so much for joining me. I truly appreciate it. Make sure to subscribe for more educational but entertaining videos and check out this cool playlist of all the previous moves that we learned. Muchas gracias. My name is Timba Heat. This is Timba Heat Dance Company. Keep dancing, my friends. Y hasta la próxima.